It's stunning, but around 1.5 million Americans are diagnosed with diabetes every year. Yes, a diabetes diagnosis can certainly change your life, and half the battle is learning how to live with your diagnosis. Adjusting your diet can make all the difference when it comes to managing your diabetes. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered one of the healthiest monounsaturated fats to include in your diet. For one thing, it's rich in antioxidants that help protect the heart by fighting off free radicals. In addition, olive oil helps reduce fasting blood glucose levels. Olive oil may help with the prevention and treatment of type 2 diabetes, so don't be afraid to add a little to your diet, but on salads or steamed veggies, avoid cooking with it, as the valuable nutrients will be lost. Walnuts. Walnuts, like spinach, also contain alpha-linolenic acid, a fatty acid with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that walnuts may also help protect the body against arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Spinach. Eat your spinach, Popeye. He had good reason to eat it, too. Spinach has a lot going for it. First, it contains alpha-lipoic acid, which has been studied for its effects on treating the pain associated with diabetic neuropathy. Neuropathy is a form of nerve damage related to diabetes that can become pretty painful. Spinach also helps to reduce blood sugar and fight inflammation in the body. The fiber content doesn't hurt either. Dark chocolate. Just in case you needed a reason to add a little bit of dark chocolate to your diet, it's full of flavonoids that carry a myriad of benefits. Improving insulin sensitivity is probably the greatest benefit for a diabetic. Dark chocolate also helps with glucose metabolism and oxidative stress. Cinnamon. Not only does cinnamon add a sweet and spicy flavor to your meals, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties that help decrease inflammation in the body related to diabetes. It also has the ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve the effectiveness of insulin.